what it look like when you're mobbing in your old school, going through the gears. Because you got to pull that hill, you know. Some of you young cats may not know how to drive a stick shift. Show them, baby, we got panoramic view. We got 360. Ain't nothing but sky up in here. Ain't no roof. That's what I'm talking about. You dose of that sky view. Yeah, we ain't gonna say the top is down. We just gonna say that sky view. All inclusive. Oh yeah, y'all didn't see that. We had the big screen too. On the right, it's that movie, that music, so I can't play that. Huh? I heard. Out here, they say there rains in Southern California. Well, it's one of them days. Nice redwood trees, hear the birds chirping. Harley riders out there, horses.